So I know you guys live in the East United States, and, weather's pretty intense over there. But as far as for California goes, yeah, it's mostly sunny, which you guys mostly say. But technically, that's not true because check this out. It looks like we're going to be having a storm the next 2 days. Look at these trees, though. Just trying to break my window. This has been going on since like 3 a.m. or 1 a.m. And yeah, it's really windy out here. So I don't know if we're gonna lose power or not, but yeah. So that's a weather update for you guys. Again, I'm not a meteorologist or anything. It just looks like it, to be honest. So yep.